Hey guys, a very charm morning to one and all present here. This is Rashna Pawar before you, and thank you very much, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you. Today I am here for deliver the very short speech on the topic of safe water. As you all know, guys, water is the most precious component in our life. We cannot live without water. We used water many things washing, cooking, bathing, planting, and etc. We can save water, so we live easily, and we we drink water properly, so we stay healthy, and we stay fit. So let me speak about what is water pollution. Water pollution is the refer of contamination of water bodies like lakes, rivers, ponds, and oceans. Human beings are polluted water, and we speak about what can we do for save water. We can do many things to save water, like conservation, and plastic, and plant trees, and etc. That's it all about my speech. Thank you very much for listening.